Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start the process immediately. Open TikTok, go to your profile and settings and privacy, then tap account status or the notification about the strike. Once you see the strike details, note the video ID, upload date, and exact timestamps. These are the facts TikTok needs. Prepare supporting evidence, original raw clips, copyright proof, or written permission. Now, use the in-app appeal flow. Don't delay, because the system logs submission time and earlier appeals improve your chance of review. You now craft the actual appeal, go to report a problem, choose account and profile, then the appeal option tied to the strike. Attach every piece of evidence you collected, raw source files, screenshots of permission, and any correspondence, and label files clearly. In the message, be concise. State what happened, reference which policy or exception applies, and list timestamps. Once submitted, request human review. TikTok triages automated flags faster when you provide clear, structured evidence and calm language. You finish by monitoring the account status regularly. TikTok reviews often take 24 to 72 hours, but can be longer. If the appeal is denied, don't panic. Gather any new evidence, correct contextual misunderstandings in your explanation, and submit a focused second appeal referencing the prior case ID. If that fails, escalate through creator support or business help in-app, include the case ID and all documents. Troubleshooting tip: if the system auto-removes uploads, save originals and timestamps before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.